Meet the Ikea Sonos Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. At $100, it's the cheapest Sonos speaker you can buy, and because it's being sold by Ikea, it also turns into a shelf and fits perfectly into certain Ikea furniture. So does that mean it's a better value than the popular Sonos One? Yes and no. The Symfonisk bookshelf speaker comes with all the main features you'd get on any other Sonos speaker. You can control it with a Sonos app or with AirPlay 2.0. You can connect two of them to get stereo sound. And most importantly, they're compatible with all other Sonos speakers. Ikea also released another speaker with Sonos that is also a lamp. But the bookshelf speaker is special because it's affordable. The sound quality is, well, it's fine. This is where the Sonos One really sets itself apart. With 2 amps, a subwoofer, and a tweeter, this thing sounds awfully good for something so small. It also sends sound out in every direction, while the Symfonisk speaker only delivers sound in one direction. On top of better sound quality, the Sonos One also has 6 far-field microphones and includes both Alexa and Google Assistant capabilities. So let me break it down. For $100, the Symfonisk gives you a full-fledged Sonos speaker. For $200, you get a Sonos One speaker that has a little bit better sound quality and extra features like voice assistance. But are those features $100 worth of difference? I would say no. As a starting point to get into the Sonos ecosystem, the Symfonisk is a great deal. And if you already have Sonos speakers, you can add the new Ikea speakers to the Sonos system and vice versa. And if you get a second bookshelf speaker, you can actually pair them together to get stereo sound. And if you have a Sonos Beam soundbar, you can actually connect these as satellite speakers and have a surround sound system in your living room. So I'll just say it, Ikea's new Sonos speaker is a hell of a deal. You can buy 2 of them for the price of a single Sonos One, and you don't even have to assemble them yourself. It's such a hard word to say. I mean, symphony in Swedish. In Swedish, it's Symfonisk.